I'm Elise Wright. I'm here with celebrity manicurist Jerry Holford, and we're going to show you how to use a nail stamp, which is a tool used to create intricate nail art. The designs might look complicated, but even a beginner nail artist can get a professional look. Start off with a base coat and 2 coats of your base color. Put a drop of polish into the nail stamp design you are going to use. We're doing a cute star pattern. Use the scraper tool to carefully scrape off the excess. Pick up your design using the stamp. Place the design on your nail. The best way to get it on is using a rolling motion. You'll want to seal your design with a top coat, but be very careful not to smudge it. Rather than stroking the top coat on, it's better to dab it on and carefully spread it. When you're done with your stamper, the best way to clean it is with a little bit of polish remover on a Q-tip.